welcome our International Ruby Executive, Mr. Mark Pisa.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Hello. Good evening. Yes. I'll just share some information about myself. First, si John. I came from Meralco. And we'll not talk about Meralco tonight. Okay? And just some sharing. I'm the kind of person who really value education because my mom was an educator. So, teacher siya by profession. So, she told me the value of education. Sabi niya, anak, kailangan mo mag-aral mabuti para makakuha ka ng magandang trabaho sa magandang kumpanya and you'll have a very happy life. Familiar ba sa ganong sinasabi natin? No? Siyempre, maniniwala tayo sa parents natin dahil yun naman talaga yung common na tinuturo sa atin ng mga parents natin. We really value education. So, talagang nag-aaral lang mabuti. Siyempre, tutor niya ako. So, I got the discipline. So, I was able to graduate with honors from elementary, high school, college, and nag-MBA pa talaga ako sa Lasal. So, one thing I realized after working for 15 years in the corporate, so different companies, no, like ABC5, a multinational company, and Meralco, I realized that hindi sapat yung employment lang. Would you agree with that? Kasi after working for 15 years, kahit na napopromote ako, malaki naman yung sahod, maganda yung benefits, parang laging sakto lang. Yung parang pag-withdraw mo, parang dumaan lang siya. Nakaka-relate ba kayo sa ganon? So, ibig sabihin tumataas ang expenses natin, and I'm the kind of person who really wants to have the best life for my family. So, I want to travel abroad and travel the whole world. Kaso ang pinakamalaya na travel ko is New York. Cubao. Drop lang. Anyway, naka-travel na ako sa Baguio. Anyway. So, yun ang naging concern ko. So, I was really very open to looking for opportunities. And good thing, one of my fellow office mates from Meralco is an athlete, introduced this business to me, and the rest was history. So tonight, this is about you. This is about your quest for an opportunity. This is not about me. So my task tonight is to enlighten you about the business, of course, the company, and the dynamics behind it. Okay? So, to start, what makes a great business? So, syempre, nandito tayo for a business project, right? So, ang tanong dito, kung pipili business, what are the risks involved? And ang nakakalungkot lang, napakahirap mag-start ng business. Would you agree with that? Kasi malaki na risk na malulugi ka talaga. So, ito yung mga criteria na kailangan natin i-consider. First is the trend. So, kailangan napapanahon yung business natin. So, right now, pag pumunta ka sa mga EDSA, ano napapansin nyo na billboard? Puro sexy, no? Right? So, actually, wellness. Makikita mo si Bello, si Kalayan, puro may abs, puro yung from mataba, kumayat, yung mga ganun. Dati, chinelas yung nasa billboard. Ngayon, mga sexy na, right? Islander, no? So, yan yung trend right now. So, kailangan pasok sa trend yung business natin. Second is technology and products. Sino familiar dito sa CDR King? Wala, dapat familiar tayo. Kasi bibili tayo doon, di ba? So, bakit ito nabanggit yung CDR King? First and foremost, if you want to set up your own business, for example, you want to be an electronics company, will manufacture cheap phones. Okay? So, startup ka, research and development, laki ng kapital. Then, you'll find out, CDR King, they're selling 350 pesos na cellphone. So, since saan bibili yung mga tao ng cheap phones? CDR King, right? Yes. So, you really have to have a unique technology and product na mahirap kopyahin. Kasi if madaling kopyahin yung product mo, kalaban mo buong China. Would you agree with that? Yes. So, kailangan, very important consideration yung unique technology. Of course. And right now, ang labanan ngayon is partnership. It's gone are the days na kailangan mo mag-start up ng company, for example, technology company, kasi ang laki nga ng risk. But right now, ang labanan is partnership with big companies. For example, Google and Microsoft, nag-partner sila ngayon. Kalaban nila, another company, I think Facebook. Okay? So ngayon, ang ginagawa natin, we have to partner with established company, just like Toyota. So for example, ang Toyota ba, pag pumunta dito sa Pilipinas, end buyer, end user na kagad hinanap nila. Hindi, di ba? They're looking for distribution partners. So yung mga wealthy families na malaki yung pangkapital, yun ang mga kinukuha nila. That's why meron tayong tinatawag na City Motors, yung mga Toyota Quezon Avenue, di ba? Mga company, family-owned corporation. So, ang partner na Toyota, so rather than sila na mismo ang mag-manufacture ng kotse, nag-distribute na lang sila ng kotse, and lesser risk, high profitability. So that's the importance of partnering up with a company. And of course, we need to have a good compensation kasi we're doing business not because charity. Okay? Yung pang nalulugi ka na, gusto mo pa rin mag-business, di ba? Charity na yun. So we need a very profitable business. And lastly is timing. Bakit important yung timing? Kasi, for example, you want to venture into cellphone accessories business. You think it's still profitable? Hindi na. Kasi, yung mga nauna sa atin, yung mga kapatid natin, Muslim, di ba? Andun na sila di ba? Naka-establish na sila. So, mahirap nang pumasok and grabe na yung competition. So, kailangan yung timing, ikaw yung mauna. Okay? So, those are the very important criteria for selecting a business. And the good thing, our corporate partner, New Skin Enterprises, is really keen on innovation. So, this is our innovation center in Utah, USA. By the way, the designer, the same who designed the building of Apple computers. So we have the same, kaya maganda yung building, no? And of course, these are our scientific leaders. So from Nu Skin Enterprises and LifeGen Technologies, and together they developed what we call the ageLOC platform. So just an idea about the ageLOC platform. It's the first and only genetics technology in the world that can make people 10 to 20 years younger, sexier, and more energetic. So you think this is a good technology? Yes, definitely. Because the difference is that ageLOC targets the source of aging. So for example, familiar kayo sa Botox?
Yes.
Right? Diba? Pag sinasakan kayo ng injection, mawawala yung lines. Ang problema, pati yung facial expression na wala na yun. Okay? Malungkot ka, masaya ka, isa na yung expression mo. So hindi ka na pwede mag-artista. Okay? But the problem there is hindi siya sustainable. Every 6 months pupunta ka sa doctor o sa derma mo. Magpapabotox kaya masakit siya. But here, we have a technology that can actually erase the wrinkles, the signs of aging in a sustainable way, in a natural way. No surgery. Okay? So later on, I'll show you that. And that's the source of aging. Yung genes natin, yun ang responsible kaya tayo nagkakaroon ng puting buhok, kaya tayo tumataba, kaya tayo nagkakasakit. This technology can actually reverse the aging. Okay? Would you like to be 60 years old pero mga pa rin 30 years old? Yes, definitely. Especially kung kasing sexy mo 30 years old, right? Okay. So this is our collaboration. Dr. Joseph Chang together with the Chief Scientist of LifeGen Technologies. Para may idea lang kayo kung ano yung LifeGen Technologies. This is a 30-year-old company from Europe. Okay? Specializing on biotechnology. So they are the ones who developed the studies for the genetic platform of ageLOC. What Nu Skin did is, Nu Skin acquired LifeGen Technologies for billions of dollars to only have sila lang yung may karapatan gamitin yung research. That means the competitor of Nu Skin is 30 years behind in terms of technology. So that's why ageLOC became a blockbuster, topic of Apple computers in releasing the iPhone. Okay, in terms of revenues. So you think that's a huge achievement? Yes, definitely. And this is our Chief Scientific Officer, Joseph Chang, and he's also an author of The Aging Myth. Basically, the book tells us or debunks the old beliefs about aging. Kasi dati pag sinabing aging, wala tayong magagawa dyan, on stage tayo dyan. But right now, there are already interventions like the ageLOC that can actually reverse the aging in a natural way. Okay? So being the Chief Scientific Officer, siyempre ginamit niya sarili niya yung technology, yung ageLOC. So may pagbabago ba? 5 years ago, 2010, laki, di ba? So para siyang nagpabelo. Nag-promote pa talaga ng belo. So pati yung hair, no? Pansin yung hair, tumubo. Mas gwapo na siya dito, right? So ito yung clinical validation ng ageLOC R-squared. It's one of our technologies, no? Revive and Renew. Basically, it's nutritional, okay, genetic approach. So this is the heat map of 25-year-old person, mapapansin nyo green, no? As we grow older pala, ang heat map natin nagiging red, nababaligtad siya. But after using age-lock, no, for 1 year, of course it's a long experiment, bumalik yung genetic heat map ng isang 50 years old to green. Ginaya niya 25 years old. So that's the clinical validation of age-lock, that it really works now. So some proof of the benefits of R-squared, may pagbabago ba? Yes. Kumanda siya dito, no? So ganyan na nagagawa ng age-lock, no? Pati yung skin, nagiging tighter, and of course, better complexion. Even the hair, from white hair, nagiging darker hair without the tina. Okay? So hindi na kailangan magtina. And this one. So, Monica, granddaughter niya, nung 4 months old pala, after 10 years, yan na sila. Para mas bumata pa siya, no? No? Parang Benjamin Button, no? Papalik yung yung aging. Okay? Ito yung favorite ko. One of our international executives, si Joseph, Philip Chung from Hong Kong. This was 20 years ago. Siya to. Okay? So, ilan taon na siya? 50?
57.
Ha?
57 na siya.
57? Oh my God. Mukha ba siya 57? Mukha 30, no? Okay? So, ito siya. We just saw him a couple of months ago. Ito yung girlfriend niya, batang-bata. So, tinanong siya, bakit ka pumatol? So, isang 57 years old. Sabi ng girlfriend, hindi ko na maalam na 57 na siya. Nobody told me. Okay? So, ito yung class picture nila. Nag-reunion sila. Para mga lolo na yung mga kasama niya, no? Ka-batchmate niya lahat. Siya to. Okay? So, if you go to a reunion, okay ba yun na pagdating mo sa reunion, ikaw ba yung anak ni Mark? Di ba? Okay yun, di ba? Parang pagkamalang kang anak. So, that's actually the long-term effect of age-lock. So, we also have what we call the wrinkle iron. It's a handheld machine, battery-operated. Once na minasage sa face with age-lock gel, in 10 minutes, kaya niyang burahin yung wrinkles, fine lines, and signs of aging. 10 minutes. Okay? So, we also do demonstration about that. And, kita ba yung difference? Mas tighter yung skin dito, mas bata. And of course, for men, pwede rin siya. Ilan pa sa girls, no? Eh, paano naman kami, di ba? So, okay, for men, it also works, no? So, some of the Hollywood celebrities, using the galvanic spa, umamin sila sa mga news interviews. Si best friend natin, American Idol, Simon Cowell, Tony Braxton, Kate Moss, pinsan namin, si Brad Pitt, using the age-lock galvanic spa. And Dana Delaney, familiar kayo? Desperate Housewives, no? World's most natural, beautiful woman, no? Sabi niya, I've been using New Skin for 20 years. I am a distributor and I just distribute it to myself. Okay? Selfish, no? So, talagang siya, gumagamit siya ng... And, sino ba hindi nakakilala kay Jennifer Lopez? So, one of her beauty secrets is galvanic spa. So, this was actually published in a magazine. Okay? You think galvanic spa is a good product? Yes, definitely. And this is one of my favorite technologies, also age-lock, but it's TR90 or total redesign in 90 days. Meaning, it's a weight management, anti-aging system. Okay? Pampasexy in other words. Okay? So, how it works? This is the dynamics of traditional diet. Familiar kayo sa General Water diet? Siguro yung iba, no? Puro prutas isang araw. Sa another day, puro kamote. So, ganun yung ibang diet, no? Ang nangyayari pag traditional diet, nadideplete yung muscle. Mawawala yung fat, mawawala yung water, kasama, which is very dangerous, pati water. Ang problema, nadideplete yung muscle, pababa yung metabolism. Okay? But in our program, ang ginagawa niya, ini-increase niya yung muscle while tinutunaw niya yung fats, pero yung water na retain. Okay? So, ano result niyan? Metabolic burn sa traditional diet, bagsak. But in age-lock TR90, it actually increases. Remember nung college kayo, sino nagbabasketball dito, guys? college, di ba, kahit na ilang oras tayo nag-basketball, parang hindi tayo napapagod, no? And ilang cups of rice, even girls, okay? Ilang cups of rice, no? Hindi tayo tumataba, right? Because mabilis yung metabolism natin. Ang ginagawa ng TR90, pinapabilis niya yung metabolism in a natural way. Kaya nagiging sexy, nagkakaroon ng abs, nagkakaroon ng shape ng katawan. You think that's a good product? Yes, definitely. So, to show you some examples of people who nag-undergo ng TR90, may difference ba? Sabi niya, now she's wearing a belt. Okay, dati hindi magkasya yung belt. Kaya nagkakasya na. And this is from US also. Siya to. And right now, dalawang tao yata kasya sa pantalon niya dati, no? Okay? And of course, ang sexy na si Mommy. And this one, from flabby to abs. Guys, gusto niyo ba ng abs? Lahat tayo gusto ng abs, right? Okay. So, some other before and after photos. Look at that. Here. Here. So, actually, hindi naman masama yung katawan niya, no? Medyo okay na. Pero gusto niya pa magkaroon ng abs. So, that's possible. Okay? So, mga local naman, mga Filipinos, no? This is also one of our international executives, Zen Lagumbay. And, apat na yung kids niya. Would you believe that? But after TR90, ito siya. Okay? Okay ba? Okay yung katawan, di ba? Sexy. And of course, we also another international executive, Vince Bernardino. Mataas na yung position niya sa isang IT company. So, yan yung result niya. And if you see Vince right now, talagang mas iba pa yung itsura niya, mas bata pa. And of course, another international executive, Ichi Navarez. After 90 days, 2 months pa lang to. Is this good? Yeah. Lumalabas na yung abs. Okay? So, just a personal sharing, ako kasi I'm a bit skeptic. No? Pag may sinabi maganda yung technology, I have to try it. No? I have to prove it. So what I did, I used the galvanic spa and R squared and TR90. So my story about R squared is the pure anti-aging because me and my wife, 4 years kami bago ako nagka-baby. Nahirapan talaga kami because health concern, what do you call that, steroid. Kasi may health problem siya. So damage yung system niya. Ako naman yung count ko, you know what I mean? Yung count ko, mababa talaga. Okay? So after taking R squared for 3 months, kami dalawa sabay, boom! Nagka-result isang healthy baby boy. You think it's good?
Yes.
So may naisip na kayo mga friends na medyo hirap magka-baby, no? So we can actually share this to them and bless them, no? To have a kid, no? And yung TR90 sharing ko naman doon is, I also underwent the TR90 program and the galvanic spa. Kasi hiniram ko sa wife ko yung galvanic spa. Ang naging result, after 12 years na nag-work ako sa Meralco, hindi ako napapansin. Pero after TR90 and galvanic spa, na-discover ako as an image model niya. So nilagay na ako sa billboard, sa mga posters. Siguro pag pupunta kayo sa mga branches namin, nandun pa yung mga picture ko. So my kid and I, naglalaro kami, tinatapon ko siya ganon, tapos may aircon sa likod, pinopromote namin yung aircon. So yun ang pwede nyo i-check sa mga flyers na sa Meralco. Okay, so naging image model pa talaga ako because of the product. Okay? So just some information about our company, how rock solid it is, no? First is that it's a global seamless company, meaning it's present in 53 countries. Okay? So, sino sa inyo ang may mga kamag-anak sa ibang bansa? Pakitaas. Oo, yung mga hindi nagtaas, hindi Pilipino yan. Kasi lahat ng mga Pilipino may kamag-anak sa ibang bansa, right? Okay, ganito yan. If you have relatives or friends abroad and they want to try the technologies, they can purchase online, just like Amazon.com. And all the profits will be deposited straight to your local bank account. So that's how high-tech it is now. And just 2013, the record revenue is $3.18 billion US dollars. And it's a blue chip company among the mid-scale companies in the US, being traded in New York Stock Exchange, and 30 years na siya in existence. Here in the Philippines, 15 years. And by the way, New Skin Enterprises was voted among the 100 most trustworthy companies. Ibig sabihin pinagkakatiwalaan sa US. Out of the 80,000 companies in the US na pinag-aralan nila, in-assess nila, new skin went number 5. I think that's a big credential. Yes, definitely. Siyempre, kailangan we work with the trustworthy companies, no? Hindi yung mga fly-by-night companies na nakakatakot, okay? So, according to Motipool, this is a publication giving advices to investors sa stocks kung you have to buy this stock or not. Sabi ng Motipool, New Skin Enterprises is the Apple of the anti-aging industry. Sino sa inyo ang gusto ng Apple products? Tayo, di ba? Kasi maganda talaga siya. So, it's an aspirational product. So, in terms of anti-aging, New Skin is the number 1. So, that has been my part. I hope I was able to enlighten you about our technologies, about our company and the trends and the business. And this is not about me. This is actually about you. You're here for an opportunity, right? So, my suggestion is that if you were excited about the information that I just shared with you, my suggestion is to listen very well and very carefully to the next speaker because this information is more important for tonight. So I turn over again the stage to our host, Joe.
A self-made millionaire and international diamond executive, please help me welcome Ms. Rona Katrina.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Hindi po natin palakpakan si John. Okay. So, ano po ba before we begin, tayo lang po muna tayo. Stretch. And let's face the side of the My name is Rona Hasa. Tama na po yung share sa inyo earlier din ng job. So, my job this evening is to share to you paano ko po nang come across yung project at age 23 and paano po ako naging self-made millionaire at age 24. So, okay lang po ba yung mga ganyang kwentuhan tonight?
Yes.
Pwede naman, no? So, sige, kwentuhan tayo ng konti. Nalala ko lang couple of days ago, nagkukwentuhan kami, paano kami namili ng course na magka-college pa lang kami. And I remember, a lot of people are telling me that I should take up nursing. Do you have nurses in the room? Iba na talaga yung panahon ngayon. Nalala ko, start ako, puno, di ba? So ako, medyo hindi po yung napili kong path. Pero naaalala niyo yun? Yung era na yun ng hot na course, di ba? So ako, medyo hindi yun yung napili kong course kasi inisip ko, for nurses to make good income, they had to leave the country. Tama ba yun?
Yes.
I didn't see myself doing just that. Going abroad, mag-isa, mag-ginaw, English. Sabi ko sa Philippines na lang ako. Paalam ko sa first ko, if I could take up a business course, they allowed me. I took up business economics in UP Diliman. So buong may mga taga-UP po ba? Who represent? So buong time na I was in UP, excited ako gumraduate. Siguro sobrang sa telenovela. Sino pag sa TV, pag naka-skirt at naka-blazer ka, malaking sweldo mo. Tama ba?
Yes.
Nagulat talaga ako startup salary, in-offer sa akin ng isang local bank. Naitago natin sa pangalang China Bank. No? So sino yung familiar sa teleponong to? Batchmates, no? Huwag nyo hanapin sa Green Hills, wala na. Please out na yan dati pa. Itong phone na to, malapit to sa puso ko kasi yung regalo ng nanay ko sa akin nung pumasa ako ng UP. Ay, hindi pala. Nung nag-work, basta ganun. Tama-tama nung pumasa ako ng UP. Yan yung phone ko. So, fresh grad pa lang. So, ginugulo ko kayo, no? Promise. Ito na talaga. Kasi 51 din pala yung phone ko nung first year. So, nung graduate ako ng 4th year, ito regalo ng nanay ko sa akin. Sobrang saya ko dyan. Pero hindi ko na siya nakalimutan kasi yung China Bank, yan na din yata ginawang basihan. Ito yung sweldo ko. Yung China Bank, yan yung basic income ko. 7.6, may mga taga-bangko ba? Or dating taga-bangko? Relate, no? So, itong 7.650 yan, medyo dikit yung income namin, Miss Lumina. 7.650, may mga plus pa naman yan, plus rice allowance, plus medical subsidy, pero hindi pa rin pumalok ng 10,000. Nung panahon ko, which was not so long ago. So, na-realize ko, with an income like this, hindi talaga naisip ko sa sarili ko, wala akong karapatan maging hindi open for other income options that would come my way. Kasi sabi nga, di ba parang, hindi ba kasi yung boy, minsan yung mga office mates nyo, reklamo ng reklamo, may mga ganun bang office mates? Yes. Ito bang mga friends na to, nagre-resign ba to? Hindi naman. Nagkaroon ba ng work? Hindi rin. Nagre-reklamo lang sa ko, I don't want to become one of them. So ako, magre-reklamo ako, pero maghanap ako ng ibang options. So, may karapatan ka magreklamo, di ba? So, joke lang yan. So, ito, nakama-cross niya yung sinabi ni Albert Einstein. Sabi niya, insanity is doing the same things over and over again and expecting a different result. So, when I saw this, sabi ko, oh my gosh, malapit na pala ako, di ba? So, pabaliw na pala. Kasi ako, nire-realize ko tayo, hindi, baka next year, baka magbabago na, ganyan. Ang malungkot kasi, economics nga ako. So, nababantayan ko yung inflation, pagtaas ng presyo versus pagtaas ng sweldo ko, lugi ako lagi. For example, hindi naman pwede yan. So the reason I went on board the project was because of this guys. Freedom. Dito yung freedom na nagawa ng mga katipunero. Maganda rin yun. But this is the freedom, the kind of freedom to do the things that you want to do, when you want to do it, with the people you want to do it with. Is that a nice version of freedom?
Yes.
Yes, if I could get to that kind of freedom ASAP, ganun ka ako yung gusto kong path. And I learned, people are working hard for totally different reasons. So siguro, magpapasurvey tayo, top few things, eto talaga yung nalabas sa list, no? Would you agree?
Yes.
Sige. Siyempre ako gumawa ng slide, hindi naman ako to. Yung mga dalagat tinata pa ba sa room? Para may paklala ko sa isa't isa. Valentine's na, pwede humabol. So, sabi nga ng friend ko, ito lalaki to. Sabi, alam mo yung araw ng kasal mo, dapat paghandaan mo. Kasi pag hindi mo yung pinaghandaan, sa araw ng kasal mo, lahat masaya, ikaw lang malungkot. May point kaya yung mentor ko?
Yes.
Medyo, no? So, no, do you believe that there are some things in life that are free but are also very expensive? May mga ganun ba? Sino po dito mahilig matulog ng extended hours pag umaga at bumabagyo? Diba? Pero sila dito pumapasok pa rin. Hindi nyo malungkot eh, papasok ka pa rin. Sabi nga, time with family, it's supposed to be free, pero pag mahal ang per hora mo sa work, doon nagiging mahal. Would you agree? Sige, no? Sunod, kung mga in-here loves to travel. Of course, sila dito gusto pag magta-travel, okay yung budget niya, yung kasama niya gusto niyang tao. Diba? Kasi sabi ng friend ko, oy friend, nagta-travel naman ako, okay. At talaga, sino ka-travel mo? Yung boss ko. Question, masarap ba ka-travel ang mga boss?
No.
Paano mag may relasyon kayo? Traveling is nice, but traveling also has a price. So, sabi ko siguro kung pwede maset up ang paghandaan, sino dito at least once or twice gusto makalabas ng bansa kasama yung buong pamilya na libre nila?
Yes.
Ang sarap naman. Parang di naman bahay, di ba? Bahay, work, beds. Diba? So, parang mapasyalan naman. Sunod, sa mga, sino yung mga single ulit? Yeah. Wala na. Umiigan lang. Sorry, ako lang OP rito. Gano'n. Ulit, sino yung mga single? Yeah. Sino nakakapag-MRT pa? General question. Diba, kamusta yung MRT ngayon? OA, diba? Sabi nga nila, yung MRT system daw ngayon, tinalo na daw yung sa Singapore. Sa atin, sophisticada. Kasi sa atin, wala ka pang balak pumasok kung sa loob ka na. Pag nasa loob ka na, bali wala na rin yung mga barandila kasi hindi ka naman tikilos. Sobrang puno. Ang MRT natin, naalala ko, syempre, ay, hindi ko pala nakwento sa inyo yung espesyal kong kalagayan na nag-work ako. Yung ganong income ko, sa Makati ako nag-work. Siguro mga 3 tumbling lang from dito. Sa Makati ako nag-work, pero sa Bulacan ako umuwi. Kamusta naman, no? So, sa ganong klaseng setup, wala akong choice kundi mag-MRT. Sa MRT noon, pagpasok ko ng mga 6:30 a.m., syempre bagong ligo ka, mabango ka. Paglabas mo ng Ayala, ibang tao ka na. Amoy hapon ka na, di ba? So parang sabi ko, ba't gano'n wala pang araw? May araw na ako, di ba? So parang ito, at least later on, if you would, kung solo tayo, kaya natin naman mag-commute. Lalo kung malakas pa naman yung pangatawan natin. Pero, if you would have kids, kaya ba ng puso nyo na i-commute yung anak niya pabalik-balik ng EDSA ng MRT? Kawawa eh, di ba? So sabi nga, parang ito, pag in-add mo yun, medyo may pressure. Sabi ko, kung ito papalya, at least meron ka naman sarili mong bahay. Pag-uusapan natin tonight, medyo hindi pinag-uusapan sa labas, sa pantry, pero ito yung topic natin. Ano daw yung mga dreams natin, no? Sino dito naniniwala, libre naman mangarap? Of course. Pero sa dito naniniwala, ang mga pangarap ay hindi libre.
Yes.
Diba? May price tag sila. Sino nakapag-compute na? Rough. Diba? So ito yung gagawin natin sunod. No? Simple dream calculator. Simulan tayo. House nila, 15 million. Pwede na?
Yes.
Oo naman. Kung sa lugar namin, mansyon. Kung sa Iala-Alabang, gate. No? Pili ka. Sa mga tatayo. Kung pili ka mandirahan sa gate, pwede naman. No? Pili na yung lokasyon. Car, a decent sedan for city driving, ₱1 million. Medyo pwede na. Pag maliit yung pamilya mo. Pero pag lalaki yung family mo, lalaki rin yung kotse mo. Kasi ikaw rin mapapagod, magtatagay-tagay, 2 balikan ka. Pagod ka ng friend, diba? Education of ₱1 million per child. I have a friend, taga-insurance, siya pinasilip niya sa akin. Ang cost ng education, mga 10 years from now, at the education is gonna cost us roughly ₱1 million per sem. So kung dati gusto mo anak 3, ay kalahati na lang. Pwede ba yun? Kalahating anak. Travel, half $1 million siguro. Asian destination lang to. Pero buong family na. Insurance of around 1M, savings of 5, roughly 25 to 30 million pesos for a basic view. Sabi ni ba, friend, hindi naman basic yan ang mahal. Ay, wala pa dito yung yate, yung beach property. Di ba yung mga ganyan tayong iniisip minsan? So, ang tanong kong sunod ito, doing what you're currently doing right now, are you on track? Sino dito, barya na lang yung ipon, papalo na lang 30 million? Ako pa lang? Ako pa lang yan, no? Siyempre, nung nakita ko to, feeling ko unfair, naitanong ko to sa China Bank, am I on track? Kasi 3 taon ka pa nga eh. 3 taon ka pa lang. Pero ang tanong ko, doing what you're currently doing right now, will you ever be on track? And then I realized, during payday, yung mga boss ko, nakapila rin sa ATM. Ibig sabihin, sakto-sakto lang talaga din kami lahat. Kahit maging big boss pa ako. So parang na-realize ko, I have to change directions. Kahit konti lang, hanap ako ng ibang option, no? Kasi, depende pala daw yan. 2 klase daw ng lifestyle yung pwede natin pagpilian ngayon. Either, ito daw yung lifestyle mo. Ito yung usual na nangyayari sa ating lahat. Usually, tama ba? From age 0 to around 21, ganyan, nagka-college tayo. Tama? Yung iba lang mas mahaba ng konti yung course. So, tama ba? From age 21 to around 25, yung sweldo natin, medyo joke time pa lang. Parang mas malaki pa yung allowance mo, di ba? So, yan. So, yan yung time na nag-acquire ka pala ng skills. For some people, usually pagdating ng 25, dyan na pumapasok medyo supervisor position na, assistant manager, yan na. So, medyo dyan na nagkakaroon ng significant income. Ang nangyayari, yung skill na natutunan nila dito, ina-acquire nila for around 40 years. Is this familiar?
Yes.
Diba? Kaya hindi nga, Pilipino nga yan eh. Pero ewan ko, galing sa States to eh. Pero ganun din pala sila. So ito, ganun kahaba yung time na pag-work, mga 40 years. Pero may study. Pag nag-retire ka daw ng age 50, pwede ka mabuhay hanggang 80. Pero minsan pag nag-retire ka ng 65, minsan 70 na lang. So pipili, choose wisely friends. Anong gusto nyo? Siyempre sana umabot ka sa bonus round, di ba? Pagdating ng 65 yan, bonus round. Diyan pa lang i-enjoy yung buhay. Sana, kung napaghandaan. Kasi isa sa mga kinakatakutan ko, di ba minsan may makita kayo mga gano'n, na mga lolo na hihingi sa apo na, pag-ios naman, di ba? Para ako, pag gano'n. May chance ka rin na pag-preparean yun eh, di ba? At yun, 70 or depende kung saan dyan, yun yung dulo na. Diba? So minsan tatanong mo, ito kasi yung usual, meron ba option? So ano yung option? Lifestyle 2 naman. Yung lifestyle 2, same din, nag-acquire ka pa rin ng skill pagdating dito. For a certain amount of time, you work hard. So ito, hindi siya bunging na trabaho. Medyo magde-devote ka talaga ng time. At isi-set up mo yung isang project until sa time, pag na-set up mo siya, you're gonna be working smart. So mga we would explain this in detail to you. At ang mangyayari, mas maaga kang makakatapos dun sa rat race. Sabi nga the thing is, pag nasa rat race ka, tapos graduate ka, daga ka pa rin. Parang ganun, di ba? So parang sa ko, ano ba yung ibang option? So ito, work hard for a couple of years, set it up until dumating yung time na you make money work for you, magiging maaga yung time mo to enjoy life. Ito yung part, pwede ka pa mag-bungee jumping dyan. Kasi pag mga 80, syempre sa enjoy life tayo, 67, magba-bungee jump ka. Baka hingian ka ng maraming certificate. O kaya pag tumalon ka, sige po talon po, Macau Tower, di ba? Pinaka-highest point daw na pwede pag mag-jump ng bungees. Pag tumalon, sabihin, ba't hindi po sumisigaw? Oo, nasa jump na huwag naman. So, maganda, mas maaga sana makapag-retire if possible, no? So, depende daw kung saan ka mapupunta dyan, lifestyle 1 or lifestyle 2, depende sa source ng income mo. Either you go for linear or leverage. Linear income simply means no work, no pay. So, eto siya. No, diba? You exchange time for money. Ang another option naman is leverage incomes. Discuss natin leverage income later. Linear muna. Ang sample ng linear is what you call a job. Sino dito nakaranas na magkaroon ng job ever? Diba? Actually, kasi nyo, nung fresh grad ka, yung income mo sakto lang sa'yo. Hindi mo? So, pansin mo, big boss ka na ngayon, parang sakto pa rin.
Yes.
Realize mo kung mahabol siya. It's good to start in a job here to end up in what it might be a bit scary. Bakit na nasa China Bank ako, naalala ko, mga takot kaming salita, merger, acquisition, BDO, gano'n. Feeling namin, pag kinain yung BDO, yung China Bank, gano'n yun eh. Gano'n pala sa mga bangko. Pag kinain yung smaller bank, kunyari, 2 yung auto loans nila, pwedeng matanggal na yung auto loans ng isa. Ganun yun. So, syempre, we were scared because we were the smaller bank. So, parang sa ko, kawawa naman yung mga boss ko. Ako, okay lang ako, 3 years lang ako, hindi pa ako emotionally attached. Sila, all their life. Alala ko, may nag-retire akong boss. Sabi ng big boss namin sa kanya, presidente ng China Bank, thank you for giving us the best years of your life. Para ko, sana naman anak ko magsabi nun, no, wag boss, di ba? Sabi ko, it's good to start in a job, pero it might be a bit scary. Kung kasi kunyari biglang big boss ka, biglang nagka-merger, nagka-acquisition. So dati, Starbucks ka, biglang coffee ko, brown coffee na lang. Okay lang kung kape mo lang madam. Paano pag-education ng kids mo? Paano pag-healthcare ng parents mo? I don't want to risk any of those, no? Ano, ito daw, mga iba-ibang klase ng sweldo. Meron daw sibuyas sa sweldo. Pag hinati-hati mo sa gastusin, mapapaluha ka. No? Meron daw ito, according pelikulang sweldo, tinatawanan mo na lang para hindi ka mabwisi. Diba? Ito, personal favorite, reglang sweldo. Isang beses, isang buwan kung dumating at tumatagal na 3 araw. But if you're blessed, 5 days. Yeah? Okay. So, ito yung medyo regla na sweldo, no? Yun nga lang, medyo mahirap kasi, pag wala kang ginawa, hindi wala kang income. Pero pag hinataw mo, malaki. Yun nga lang, grade 1 nga ng grade 1. Siyempre gusto natin mag-retire. Na mas maaga sana, di ba? Marami type naman ng income, traditional business. Tama kapag magne-negosyo ka, dapat mahaba PC mo, tsaka malakas loob mo. Yes. So, para saan yung lakas ng loob? Para hugutin mo yung savings mo. Kung meron. Ako kasi wala. Dati, pwede ba? 30 million. Ano, joke lang. Yeah. So, lalo sa Pilipinas, iwala ba kayo mga Pilipino, napakaling mag-gaya ng negosyo?
Yes.
As in, ngayon, girl binatog, boy binatog, madam binatog. Diba? Parang sabi doon yung mga ganong klaseng business, ang tawag doon fan. It's designed to last for a day only. So ikaw, yung mga inipon mo buong buhay mo, willing ka ba itaya sa isang deal na designed not to last? Might be a bit scary, di ba? So, ang sunod na klase ng income, ito yung pang type 2 na lifestyle. Ito na yung leverage income. Kasi, hindi ka naman makakapag-retire kung kailangan pa rin mag-show up every day sa office. Tama ba? So, itong leverage income, ano nangyayari dito? You work on something so hard for the first few years. Pag na-set up mo na, then that asset is designed to work for you for the long run. Anong pwedeng example ng leverage income? Number 1, you could leverage on capital. Meron kami isang partner dito, ang business nila, 200 na apartment units. Pwede na yon? Hindi na masama, no? Kukuha ka lang ng verdugong tagapaningin. Kasi ang dami nun, di ba? So, kailangan maayos yung collection system mo. Pero ibig sabihin, pinagtrabaho ka ng buong pamilya nila yon. Nung na-set up nila, it's designed to work for them forever.
Using products in my practice for the last year or so. Actually, before that, I practiced in the States for almost 19 years. And back in the States, walang problema getting like pharmaceutical products because most of the products come from the US. But since I moved here 2 years ago, medyo nahirapan because it's hard to get like pharmaceutical grade supplements. You have to import them and you have to get FDA approval for each supplement. So I'm so glad when a friend of mine actually introduced Nu Skin to me. First thing I did was to use the products. Because before I recommend products to my clients, I use myself as a guinea pig. So just to make sure that everything's kosher. Then after that, I reviewed all the scientific literature regarding Nu Skin. And it passed all my criteria. And so I'm so glad that I'm able to use Nu Skin in my practice. In fact, maybe this week, if you guys have read the news, the FDA actually clamped down on several retailers in the US, like Costco, GNC, and Walgreens, because they were selling products that actually didn't contain the actual herbs. With the supplement industry, it's an unregulated industry, so anybody can just get, say, dahon ng saging at nilagay sa isang capsula and then sell it as a magic pill. So, being unregulated, it's hard to get real products in the market. So, with Nu Skin, it's actually doing its job by really, what do you call this? It's trying to surpass what pharmaceutical companies are doing because they're undergoing this 6-step Pharmanex process, quality process that, and Sandy actually discussed on Saturday. With this 6S quality process, they're actually from the time that they get the herb, they really do this. How do you call it? This quality control. So, like for instance, some herb like reishi mushroom. So they would have to find a real good source of the reishi mushroom. So they're not just getting it from any place. They have to make sure also that it doesn't have any contaminants. because some of the herbal products out there may be contaminated with, like, let's say, mercury, PCBs, or dioxins. One of the things I discussed on Saturday is the marine omega. So there's a lot of fish oil in the market, but unfortunately, they're not really that pure. Sometimes if you recommend just a regular fish oil, you may cause more damage to a person's health. So with a marine omega, you can rest assured that you're getting really good product. So earlier today, there's one of these big companies here in the Philippines. They've been trying to hire me to just to see clients at their clinic in BGC. So all this time, back and forth, they were giving me this contract like 4 times for balik-balik. Until finally, when I was ready to sign, I thought, oh, I don't want to sign a contract. But finally, after a month, they approached me again. So they agreed that we won't do any contract. So anyway, make the long story short, we had a meeting this afternoon, and I know they carry supplements at their company, but I insisted that I want Nu Skin to be brought into the company because I really know the quality that goes into the production of the Pharmanex products. So anyways, I really highly endorse Nu Skin products because it really works.
Thank you.